Step 1. Set an alarm to remind you to take the daily health screening questionnaire.
Step 2. Don't forget to take your temperature and record it on your Paltz account.
Step 3. Log in to my.newpaltz.edu and you will automatically see a COVID-19 screening questionnaire. Step 4. After completing all the questions, log in into your Hotmail account for a confirmation email.
And be sure to pack all the essentials before heading out to class. This may include gloves, wipes, hand sanitizer, and an extra mask. After this, I think we're all set.